So students, now let's start activity 10.4, construction of an ellipse. So our objective for this activity is definition of an ellipse, foci, major axis and minor axis. So students, now let's start the method of construction for the given activity. Step 1. Step 1. Take a cardboard of convenient size and place a colored chart paper on it. So in step 1, take a cardboard of convenient size and paste a colored chart paper on it. Draw a horizontal line on the chart paper and mark the points F1 and F2. The 2 points F1 and F2 should be at a distance of 10 cm. Such that the distance between the 2 points that is F1 and F2 such that the distance between the 2 points that is F1 and F2 is 10 cm. Now fix 2 nails at the 2 points that is F1 and F2. Now students, in step 3, take a string whose length is more than the length of the 2 given fixed points. Whose length is more than the distance between the 2 fixed points, that is more than 10 cm. Let's say the length of the string is 12 cm. Now fix the 2 ends of the string to the nails F1 and F2. So now we'll fix one end of the string to the point or to the nail at the point F1 and the other end to the nail at the point F2. So now students, let's see the demonstration for the given activity. First, take a pencil, stretch the string in a loop and mark at least 10 points on both the sides of the horizontal line. So we'll mark the 10 points on either side of the horizontal line. 10 points upside and 10 points downside. So as you can see here, students, we have marked the 10 points by stretching the string with the help of a pencil as the string is of length more than the distance between the points F1 and F2. So when we stretch without leaving a slack in between, we get points from P1 to P20. And in the similar way, so in this way, when we join the points P1 to P20 forming a curve, we get our figure that is an ellipse. So students, now join the points P1, P2, P3, P4 up to P20 to obtain a curve that is an ellipse. So as you can see here, we have joined the points up to P20, P1 to P20 to obtain a curve like structure that is an ellipse. So students, now let's see the observation for the given activity. First, the length, that is P1 F1 plus P1 F2 equals to 12 centimeter. It is the length of the string when we stretch it along the point P1. When we stretch the string along the point P1, then we get the sum of the two lines, that is P1 F1 plus P1 F2 equals to 12 centimeter. That is the length of the string. Second, similarly at point P2, P2 F1 plus P2 F2 is equal to 12 centimeter. Third, P3 F1 plus P3 F2 equals to 12 centimeter. Similarly, as the points we have obtained is only by stretching the thread, so the sum of the two lengths at points F1 and F2 from the point, any point that is P1, P2, P3, P4 gives the length of the string. So we can say P3 F1 plus P3 F2 is equal to P7 F1 plus P7 F2 equals to P19 F1 plus P19 F2. Hence, we can say that the sum of distances of each of the points P1, P2, P3 up to P20 from the 2 points F1 and F2 is equal to 12 centimeter. That is our length of the string. So The curve obtained is an ellipse. So the curve obtained So the curve obtained is an ellipse.